How to grow a beard. Keep your face warm and toasty with a beard you can be proud of. You will need commitment, shampoo, conditioner, a beard trimmer or razor, and patience. Optional. Baby lotion. Step 1. Make a commitment to growing a beard. The process of going from clean-shaven to fully bearded usually takes at least 4 weeks. Step 2. Do not shave for at least the first 4 weeks while your beard grows. If your face gets itchy, use baby lotion to moisturize and soothe your skin. Step 3. Once the hair gets long enough, shampoo and condition your beard as you would the hair on your head. Step 4. Trim your beard into the shape that you want. This includes creating a neckline, the point under your jaw at your neck where your beard should stop. Step 5. Continue your growing efforts for at least 6 weeks. Step 6. Sculpt and manicure your facial hair into a goatee, Van Dyke, a chin curtain, or whatever you like. Did you know Hans Langseth, a Norwegian immigrant to the US, had a beard measuring 17 feet 6 inches at his death in 1927. His beard was donated to the Smithsonian Institute in 1967.